Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. In the previous class, actually we finished about a problems related to the variation of temperature with resistance and resistivity. Now let us will move to the next one. On the basis of variation of temperature with resistance only, there is another graph is there because we know just the graph what we finished. When temperature changes, therefore there is a graph is plotted between the resistance and temperature. Now let us, I want to say about a for the conductors and as well as for the bad conductor and semiconductor. See, for bad conductor and semiconductor, when temperature is increases, resistance or resistivity is decreases. And whereas the for conductors, when temperature is increases, therefore resistance is increases. See, and other materials are there. That materials are manganese or constant or nichrome. For these substances, when temperature is increases, therefore the resistance and resistivity maintains a constant. So that now we have to draw the graph based on this point. Let us, I'll show you. This is the different graph. You take a temperature is on x-axis and resistance in y-axis. This is a resistance. Or you want to say about a resistivity also, no problem. Of course, there is a temperature is increases for the conductor, resistance is increases. Here you write, it is represented as conductors. So the whereas you take a semi and bad conductor, temperature is increases, therefore graph is decreases and the slope is decreasing slope. So this you say semiconductors, or you say it is a bad, or we can also call insulators. So whereas the other materials are there, that materials which represented when temperature is increases, right? Temperature is increases, it maintains a constant resistivity or resistance. That materials are manganese, or you say constant, right? Or you say nichrome. These are the materials. See, where is the temperature increases, therefore for conductors it is a resistance or resistivity is increases. Semi and bad conductors, there will be temperature is increases, therefore the resistance or resistivity is decreases. Whereas other materials which we can say like manganese or constant, for these substances when temperature is increases, therefore resistance and resistivity maintains a constant. Therefore these type of materials, remember, these type of substances which we can use to prepare the bridge shaped wires, or we can say resistance coils. See, by using these materials we can prepare a like a bridge shape, like a resistance coils. Best examples that we have in this chapter only, one is the Wheatstone bridge. It is a bridge. So there actually we are using a number of resistors. So in that Wheatstone bridge, for the construction of Wheatstone bridge, we are using a manganese or constant or nichrome. Or you say another one, meter bridge. There also meter bridge also we are using a manganese or constant or nichrome. And here another experiment is there, that is we can say potentiometer. So that for that potentiometer also we are using the wire, which one? That manganese or constant or nichrome. So because for this substance, when temperature is increases, therefore that materials or that material maintains a constant resistance or resistivity. So for that purpose we are using a preparing the bridge shape or resistance coils. These materials can be used. So this is about what related to the variation of temperature with resistance for different substances, conductors, semiconductor or bad conductor, manganese or constant or nichrome. So this is the very, very important and we should remember here, right? So come to the point is, let us see, already I told you about a thermistor, right? So that is also very, very important, and you go through the thermistor. It is a non-ohmic device and by using a non-ohmic device it is I mean to say non-ohmic device. Thermistor is a device that can be used to prepare by using the substances right. So that is about thermistor. Thermistor is a device, the device which used to, I mean to say, which can be, it is a non-ohmic device and it is to be prepared by using a semiconductor compounds alloy of nickel oxide. That is already over. Now let us will move to the other one. That is about it is very very important. Actually it is related to color codes. Color code of resistors. Sir, what are color code of resistors? Actually this color code resistors are nothing but in our electric and electronic circuits we require a different type of resistors. See, in electric and electronic devices or electric and electronic appliances we require a different type of resistors. So that therefore there are two types of resistors are there. One we can say wire wounded resistor that is the first one. Wire wound, W-U-N-D, wire wound resistors, and one more is carbon resistors or resistance. These two types. Sir, what is meant by wire wounded resistors? Wire wounded resistors are nothing but we can also call as a solenoid. That is, there will be a wire is to be wounded for this, like the wire like it is to be wounded around the given substance. So this we can call as the wire wounded resistors. Basically we can see this in our fans there will be a wire wounded resistors. So that it's not required because it is not there in our syllabus. Let us will move to the next one, that is about a carbon resistors. So in this carbon resistors, see, actually in electronic and electrical circuits, see, it is a very very important which one the carbon resistors are very very important, because usually see these resistors nowadays we are using in the LED lights, LED like mobiles and LEDs, TVs. So in this LEDs we are using this carbon resistors. So the carbon resistor is nothing but it is nothing but one cylinder, solid cylinder like it is. So that it is like it is to be one solid cylinder and both the ends are connected a wire, right? On this carbon cylinder, see there will be I mean to say there are 4 strips. One strip, you say it is a one strip, and this is the another strip, and you say third strip, like fourth strip. Sir, what are the strips? Actually, the strips are indicated. First one we can say D1 digit. Second one we can say D2 digit. Digits are nothing but on this carbon material, on this carbon cylinder, there will be a colors are, they will give you colors. Like the colors are nothing but sometimes they may give you black, orange, red, like yellow, green, white, violet. See, we have number of colors, no? So they will give you colors on this D1, D2, and as well as the multiplier also. And one last one is the tolerance. Sir, what is tolerance? Tolerance is nothing but it is a mixing of gold, silver. Some mix of gold, silver for this last strip. So this is the very very important for the color code resistors. Try to understand. So the color code resistors are nothing but it is consist of a carbon cylinder, solid carbon cylinder. On the above the carbon cylinder there will be a 4 strips. That is one strip is D1 digit and another strip is D2 digit and one more is multiplier and last one tolerance. See, tolerance is nothing but you remember it is a mixing of color or mixing of gold and silver. It is to be mixed in the last strip. So there is a one formula is there for the calculation purpose. We can take D1, D2, M plus or minus t. This is the one formula related to the calculation purpose. Sir, what are the colors are there? Of course, I'll give you the colors. So remember everyone, how we can remember. So there will be one tabular form is there. That tabular form I'll show you, and you try to remember this tabular form. See, this you say colors, right? And there will be a D1, D2, no? Digit 1 and digit 2. And next one you say multiplier, and last one you say tolerance. See, suppose if you remember this tabular form, then we can easily do the problems. Yes, it is very easy to do the problems. See, actually there are colors are to be like this. See, B Roy ROY, BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. So look at, there are colors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, there will be a colors are given like this, right? See, the colors will be given like this. Clear? This is the colors. See, first one we can say BB Roy. Everyone remember like this. The way we should remember, BB Roy, BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. See, this is the colors we should remember. Sir, what is B? B is nothing but, you remember, it is the first one we can say block, right? You see, it is a block, BLACK, block, and it is a brown, it is a red, and it is a orange, and it is yellow, and it is a green, and it is a blue, and it is a violet, and it is a gray, and last one is white. Simple to remember, BB, that's what. You remember these letters, B, B, R, O, Y, G, blue, violet, green, gray and white. So that's what we can say it is. Here it is, we can say like this, so that it is remember very easy. Clear? See, BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, wearing gold, silver, no color or necklace. We can say like this. So that here, sir, what are the digits? Digit is nothing but first you start with a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, remember, this will be 10 colors are there, but we start with a 0, so that it is a 0, 1, 2, 3, like that we'll get. Right? And come to the point is multiplier. Multiplier in the sense is, you multiply like this, 10 power 0 is nothing but a 1, and here 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5, 10 power 6, 10 power 7, 10 power 8, 10 power 9. See, this is the multiplier. Sir, what about tolerance? See, for the tolerance only we have only gold, silver, necklace. See, this is only tolerance is there. So this is the 5%. For gold is added to the 5%, and silver is to be added 10%, and it is to be 20%. This is the way. Very simple, we can remember. See, color codes are nothing but a. Color code is nothing but it is consists of a carbon cylinder. See, on the carbon cylinder, so there will be a 4 strips. So the strip 1 we can say D1, strip 2 we can say D2, and strip 3 we can say multiplier, and third one, last one we can say tolerance. So there will be a colors they will give you on the like a carbon cylinder. You remember, once again I am writing B Roy, Great Britain, P for Britain, G for green, B for blue, very good wife. So this one we can say block, symbol. This one we can say brown. This one we can say red. And here, this one we can say orange. This one we can say yellow. This one we can say green, right? And this one we can say blue. And this one we can say violet, right? And this one we can say gray. And last one white. See, this is the way we should remember. Very simple. BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, wearing gold, silver necklace. See, for digit 1 and multipliers for gold and the silver, there is no digits, only we have multiplier. That means here there is a percentage to be added, fourth strips to be added. So 5% or 10% or no colors. So this is the way we should remember. It is related to color codes. Suppose now I am giving one problem. How to do the problem? So this here it is given like this. Now I am giving, there is a 4 digits are given. Say for this first digit is given red, second is given as yellow, third is given as gray. You say like this, gray, and last one is given as we say silver. It is. Sir, how to do? Simple. Say red, yellow, gray and silver is to be given on the carbon core resistors. Carbon core resistors, there will be 4 digits are given. So red you look at digit. What will be the digit is there? 2. And yellow, you look at the yellow digit is 4. And here gray will be look at 10 power 8. So that here you say 10 power 8 plus or minus silver. What will be the silver here? 10%. That's all. This is the way the problem it is. Of course, it is a very important for the objective type. It is very important. In our IPA also very important, because usually they will ask you one question on the basis of this color code resistors. Suppose I am giving one more question. See, here it is. Now I am removing these colors. Look at. Suppose if I give like this, this is given as violet, I mean to say white. So this is given as brown, and this is given as orange, and this one is given as a gold. Now we can write like this. White will be represented as the digit is 9, brown will be represented as 1, and here orange will be represented as 10 power 3, right? And here plus or minus gold, no? So for gold is, it is a 5%. Plus or minus, you say, this is the way we can do. But before that, we should know the tabular form, because if you remember tabular form, then you can, otherwise we cannot do the problems, because we should know the colors, and as well as we should remember the digits and multipliers also. Very simple, that's what I am telling. You start with black and end with white. So these two are extreme colors. Black and white are extreme colors. Black, that's what you remember. BB, Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. So B for black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. So you start with the digit is 0. In our numbers, start with 0 and end with 9, because the white should get a 9. This is the way we remember. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, it is still 9. And here multipliers are nothing but power, 10 power. Here it is whatever the digit are there, you take as power, that's all. Multiplier is 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5, 10 power 6, 10 power 7, 10 power 8, 10 power 9. And come to the last one, that is the silver and gold. Of course, for silver, it is we can take as a 10%, and gold we can take as a 5%, and last one no color, it is we can take as a 20%. So this is the way we should do the problem on the basis of related to the color codes. Yeah, let us, I will tell you problem also on this basis from our material. See, open page number, I think here it is 173, question number 8. 173, question number 8, which is very easy. So which is very easy. The given is 173, page number, question number 8. So there are some colors are given. I will show you on the colors on this carbon resistor. See, 173, page number, question number is 8. Look at, there are 4 the consequence bands marked on the carbon resistor, that is red, red, red. Last one is given as silver, right? Right. So silver is a tolerance. Now let us write the formula. There will be a formula is there, D1 D2 MT plus, right? Red, remember 2, red, again it is only 2 digits. red, again red, multiplier is 10 power 2, plus or minus tolerance will be 10%. This is the way, that's all, it is for 2 marks. But we should remember the tabular form, that's what it is. That's what I mean to say. That's what I mean to say. Here you remember this one, right? Like this is the problem, right? And the question number 9 also one more given. So very simple, that's what I mean to say. That is another question given. Page number 173, question number 9. Yeah, you see the page number 173 again, question number 9. So there will be, write the color code of a carbon resistor 23 kilo ohms. 23 kilo ohms. So the given, like, now is asking name. 23 kilo ohm means 23 into 10 power 3. So let us 2 in the sense is, what will happen? Red. The name is asking. 3 in the sense is orange, right? And here 10 power 3 again, orange. So this is the answer. Look at the answer. Because it is given one name, the name which is given has to be what? Like red, orange, orange. So 2, it is 23 into 10 power 3, no? 2 in the represented as red, 3 represented as orange, 10 power 3 represented as orange. So our answer will be what? Red, red and orange. So this is the way we can do the problem on the basis of color code resistors. Is it okay now? So actually, which is very easy. Okay, and you go through this, the 2 problems which was given in our material. See, I think one more also is there problem from our material. I am checking. Of course, there is no problem. So these are the 2 problems are given on the basis of this, so that they are supposed to do. Right. So this is about related to the color code resistors, and you remember this tabular form and you do the problems. This is about today's topic, right? So we'll see in the next class, because which is very, very important. Once again I am telling you, everyone remember this tabular form. Shall I close it? Thank you very much.